So having changed the headlights on the E46, I'm also gonna change out the stock amber side markers that are on the fender here. So I purchased this set that are clear. They have the LED in them, and I'm gonna quickly swap them on. The only trick here is the removal, understanding how these come off. So to demonstrate the strobe difference, so this is what the OEM side flasher looks like, and this is what the new one will do. The only trick with removing these is there are no fasteners. So if you look at your replacement, there's like a spring clip on one side, a spring, and then a black tab here where the sheet metal of the fender kind of just sits in there. So they don't just pop out, push in, they actually slide forward. So when this goes in, the spring slides it backwards and lets it grab onto the fender. So to remove it, we have to go in the opposite direction. It may be stuck, feel stuck there because of the plastic gasket, might have like fused to the paint, but wiggle back forward and backwards. It should go forward, and eventually, see that? See how much mine's moving? When it's in that forward position, we should be able to get the back to let go. So now that it's moving, we're gonna go to the front of the car with it. Normally you could just pick up, but I just hit it with a pry tool, and you see it came out. We're gonna undo the, not the hole, because we need, yeah, we want just the black piece. This could stay with here. I'm gonna clean the surface. Keep that nice and clean. Take the replacement. Clip. So same thing. We're gonna start going in. It kind of, the spring does its own thing because it has that ramp shape, but you're gonna feed the back in first to make sure that this tab gets under the sheet metal here. So the clear side markers are on. I will also put a link to the parts I purchased in the description below. Otherwise, like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you soon with more E46 stuff.